What if I told you that the place where you rest your head every night might secretly be one of the dirtiest things in your entire home? I know, it sounds impossible. Your pillow looks clean, soft, and inviting, right? But under that cozy fabric lies something shocking. An entire world of dust mites, sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria that have been building up for months, or even years. And the worst part? You breathe it all in, every single night. But don't worry, by the end of this video, I'll show you a simple, science-backed way to wash and sanitize your pillows, making them look, feel, and smell brand new again. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon, because you'll never think of your pillow the same way after this. Step 1. The wake-up call. What's really inside your pillow? Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you washed your pillow? Not the pillowcase, the actual pillow itself. Most people can't even remember. And that's where the problem begins. Over time, pillows absorb sweat, body oils, and even drool while you sleep. Add to that dead skin cells, dust, and humidity, and you have the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and dust mites. Step 2. Know your enemy. Understanding pillow types. Before you start washing, it's important to know what kind of pillow you have. Feather or down pillows. These can usually be machine washed gently, but need careful drying. Memory foam pillows. These cannot be machine washed. They must be hand cleaned and air dried. Synthetic or polyester pillows. These are the easiest to wash and can handle regular machine cycles. Step 3. The deep clean, washing the right way. Now that you know your pillow type, let's begin the transformation. If your pillow is machine safe, remove the cover and pillowcase first. Then place 2 pillows at once in the machine. This helps balance the spin cycle. Add a mild liquid detergent, never powder, it leaves residue, and set your washer to a gentle or warm water cycle. After washing, run an extra rinse cycle to make sure all detergent is gone. Then, give the pillows an additional spin cycle. This removes excess water, helping them dry faster. Here's a pro tip. When you lift the pillow out of the washer, it should feel damp but not soaked. If it feels too heavy or dripping, spin it again. Step 5. The drying ritual. Fluff back to life. This is where most people go wrong. They wash their pillows right, but ruin them during drying. If your pillow is dryer safe, place it in the dryer with 2 clean tennis balls or dryer balls wrapped in socks. These help fluff the pillow evenly and prevent clumping. Use low heat or air dry mode and take your time. Pillows can take up to 2 full cycles to dry completely. Step 6. For memory foam pillows. Handle with care. Memory foam pillows are delicate. Never put them in the washing machine. Instead, mix a gentle solution of lukewarm water and mild detergent. Dip a clean towel into it and gently blot the surface. Don't soak it. Focus on sweat stains or odor spots. Step 7. The natural sanitizer. Refresh between washes. Here's a simple trick to keep your pillows fresh between deep washes. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your pillows once a week. The vinegar neutralizes odor and kills germs, and don't worry, the smell disappears as it dries. Step 8. The emotional connection, resting on clean energy. Now, let's pause for a moment. Why does this even matter? Because your pillow isn't just a piece of fabric. It's where you cry, dream, heal, and rest your thoughts every single night. When you lay your head down, your body begins to repair itself, physically and emotionally. If this story opened your eyes and inspired you to finally give your pillows the deep clean they deserve, then hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because I'll keep bringing you simple, science-backed, and emotionally inspiring home care hacks every week. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,